So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to run or open an external application with the help of a simple Java program. Application simply means that if you want to open up like Microsoft Word, Excel, or some movie player application, or even some like Notepad, WordPad, you can do it with this example code. So for it, first of all, we need to click on File, then we will go to New, and then we will click on Java Project. We will write here proj_98. You can write any other name of your own choice. Now we will click on Next and then on Finish. Now our project has been created. We need to click on this proj98. We will go to src folder. We will right click on it, go to New, and then click on Class. Here we will write any other name like ABC555. This is the name of the class, because at least we need one public class for the accomplishment of the Java code. We also need to take the public static void main function. We need to click on Finish it. Okay, now our project has been created. Our working environment has been configured. On the top you can see the project name, then we have a public class, and then our void static main function. Okay, so now we will write our code inside the main function, but before going to this we need to import one thing. Which thing? We need to import one class, one special class that is called as io.ioException, because while calling any other application or opening any other application, there can be certain warnings, there can be certain runtime errors. So ioException clause will deal with all these things. Okay, so now we will go to void main function. We will write try. Okay, now try, and the body of try. Okay, now after the body of try we will write catch. We will write catch and the body of the catch. Okay, so in try, what it will try to, it will runtime dot exec. Exec means that we need to runtime dot exec. Okay, what they said. Okay, we also need to create this variable. Yeah, one more thing that we have to go in what's called is the in public class we need to make a variable. Okay, or in static void main we will make a runtime variable. Runtime means that which will work on runtime. Okay, so runtime this is our variable, is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Okay, now this thing is our class, runtime class. Okay, and runtime simple is the object of that particular class which can call certain methods or functions which lies inside this class. Okay, so this is the name of the class with capital R. This is the name of the class, and runtime with small letters, it is the what we can say. It is we can say that like it is the object of that particular class. And why we have created it? Because we want to fetch certain functions which lies inside this runtime class. So runtime dot get runtime. Okay, now runtime dot exec. So execute is a function, and we will write here notepad.exe. If we want to like open the notepad, then we can write notepad.exe. Okay, and we will put certain things. Okay, notepad try. Okay, and if there is try to execute this thing and catch exceptions. That what is meant by catch here, it will just like deal with the runtime errors. Okay, IO exceptions. So we will write here IO exception E. Okay, so this thing, so it will deal with it. Okay, so now we will run it out. We will press OK. Okay, and now we can see that we have opened our notepad. Okay, so in this way we can go for certain other, okay, WordPad. Maybe we can open it. Oh, WordPad. Okay, I think that WordPad is not here. Okay, WordPad. Okay, WordPad.exe. Okay, notepad. Okay, you should have to write the what's called as the clear name of the software, and then it will try to execute. Okay, now we will go for like paint.exe. Okay, we can try paint. Okay, that if we want to open paint, then can we do it? Okay, wait. Okay, notepad, it is okay, so we will, okay, it is opening notepad.exe. Okay, let go and find what is the problem with this thing. Open file location, and we will go for paint notepad. It is also the exe. Okay, it is mspaint.exe. okay, mspaint. Okay, and what about notepad? It is just notepad. Okay, so that is why we need to write here mspaint. Okay, then we will go. Okay, now it has opened the paint. So in this way we can open any other external application. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.